Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2012 on a 62 registered Peugeot Partner Horizon with wheelchair access. Allied conversion, so it's the 5 seats or 3 plus the wheelchair. Comes with a fold flat ramp. As you will see from this short video, is in grade A condition. Covered just 17,000 miles, ladies and gentlemen. Full service history and direct from Motability. Motability is a charity funded by the government and leasing vehicles to the disabled. This is the 6-speed EGC semi-automatic gearbox, very popular at the moment. Suitable for both private mobility users and taxi drivers alike. Back seats just simply fold down and tip out their way, which will leave single rear seat. That may have to be tipped out the way depending on the size of the chair. Generally speaking, you can get the use of the rear seat and have the wheelchair space available. As we walk round the back, you'll see the ramp's in its deployed position. It does fold flat to the floor, very popular for those that are not doing much wheelchair work in the taxi side, or if you want to use it as a private family vehicle as well. So quite versatile. Standard 4-point fixing for the chair. You've got 2 at the back there, 2 electric further forward, and the yellow webbing and the hooks there is for the electric winch should you require the chair for an easier access. Overhead storage there, plenty of storage in the floor too. This one's in silver. Rear parking sensors. We carry around about 10 plus of these Peugeots in stock. I think we've got quite a few at the moment. Sort of ready available. This one hasn't got the privacy glass. Those that have can be removed if needed. We've got the stage 2 plate on the B pillar there. For the taxi drivers that need it for the councils. We can offer part exchange, doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted. And we're not interested in making any money out of your PX, so we will do our best by you and getting the most for your vehicle as possible. So we've got ways that we can do that. We also offer finance through Motor Novo Finance. Very good. We can send you a quick quote, fill the application out at your leisure, and then we can have an answer back normally within 10 minutes. So all done very easily. We can get the vehicle to you, no problem. So anything of your requirements, I'm sure we can fulfil for you. If you want to pop along to our forecourt, Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL, we're based in Kent. You can visit our website www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or if you want to give us a call, you can call us on 01634 716 911. Thanks for watching.